Hi, I'm Rachel. My husband is Jason Brandt, who is the VP of Customer Service and Sales at Steve's Livestock Transport. I'm excited to highlight our summer camp program. My father-in-law Steve began the program in 2008. He wanted to do something for his employees' children, and he had heard about the positive impact that summer camp had on the lives of the children in his community. We invite our employees to register their children or grandchildren for an unforgettable summer camp experience. Summer camp is an opportunity for kids to unplug and get out into nature. It's a special time for them to try new things, such as archery, wall climbing, or horseback riding. The list of activities seems endless, which matches the energy that kids have. Endless. From swimming to campfires, group games to crafts, there's something for everyone and an opportunity for kids to explore nature, connect with others, and grow in their character. Being away from home can feel daunting, which is why we also sponsor one friend per camper to join in on the fun. Some of the campers that we've sponsored over the years have grown up and they've become cabin leaders themselves. What an incredible opportunity for them to give back to the camp at which they had many meaningful summers. So we're anticipating another great year at summer camp and looking forward to hearing all of the stories. Have a great day.